Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be using the Mauves by Juvias Place palette. I wanted to try it out. It looks very pretty and it has a few shimmers. If you guys want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. I have wanted to do a drugstore makeup tutorial, but the only thing is that I don't know what's new inside of the drugstore. So if you guys have any suggestions, can you leave them down in the description box below, because I really want to do like an updated drugstore beat though, like up. So let me know what products you guys would like me to try out, and I'll try to get them into the video. Okay, a lot of drugstore makeup that I did have expired, so I had to get rid of it. Like I love the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, which was amazing. It was matte, full coverage. It was matte, full coverage, and everything from the drugstore, and I don't think that they carry that anymore. So now I'm just gonna go on with this Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna set that with the Mercier translucent setting powder.
With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
Okay, so then I'm gonna go in to this color.
Never come down low, running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face.
And then I'm going to take this and put this on the rest of my lid. I have this Sephora eyeliner, high precision eyeliner in the shade 01 Black. So I'm gonna try this out. I picked this up at the Sephora VIP sale and I haven't tried it out yet, so hopefully it works. I always use felt tip liners. These things always make me mess up, so hopefully I don't mess this up. I was gonna mess it up. Okay, we'll fix it. Damn, it was too good to be true, y'all. I done messed up. Okay, it hit it a little. That's good. That's good. Ooh. Okay, so today I am going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This is my first time using this. This is gonna turn into a face full of nude products. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in Medium Dark 3 Amande. And then I'm gonna go in with my Nars Soft Matte Foundation, and this is gonna be in the shade Marquises. I bought this, I have not put this down. Like, I love how this looks under my eyes. Like, this is so nice of a powder. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Nars Light Reflecting Setting Powder pressed in the shade Mesa. I usually use a sponge because that's what it came with, but I want to try using a brush today just so I can see how it sets with a brush. Everything like under my eyes, it makes it very smooth. And when I say smooth in real life, like, so I'm just going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to use that to highlight the bridge of my nose and my forehead. And then I'm just going to take some more of this powder, and I am just going to set the concealer. Now I'm just going to bronze my face using the Revolution Glow Bronzer in the shade Deep.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?
So now I'm just gonna set my face using the Sephora Microsmooth powder in the shade 60 Ebony.
Trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason.
I need to get me a portable fan, y'all. Okay, so then to line my lips, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. And I got this in, this is in the shade 910 Bold Brown.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, am I weak.
I'm just going to take Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Glass Slippers.
My favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let.
So don't forget, like I said in the beginning of the video, If you guys have any drugstore makeup suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below because I really want to try out some new drugstore makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave the thumbs up down below, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Till the next video, you guys. Love ya. Bye.
Can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.